Okay, welcome to our math lesson today. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. Tomorrow is the last day of September, and then we're going to the month of October. Go ahead and push pause and count to the number 50. Okay, count to the number 50 today. All right, I'm going to show you some shapes that I have right down here. These shapes, we are going to learn how to identify them. Let me show you. Just go back a little. And then I'll put these, let's see. Okay, here we go. So I have 4 shapes here. We are going to talk about what shapes I have. Right here, I have a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 2 short sides, 2 long sides. This is a small rectangle. This is a big rectangle. So when I ask you, can you tell me about this shape right here? You could say it's a big, it's red, and it's a rectangle. We're going to describe our shapes by using 3 words. These ones are circles. This one is the small circle. This is the big circle. So if I said, can you describe this shape to me? You could say it's small, it's red, and it's a circle. Okay, we're going to keep learning about these different shapes and how to describe them, and we'll be playing some games. But for now, take out your math sheet, which is number 23. Write your name at the top. And it says, right here where the star is, color these rectangles and circles red. Okay, so find your red crayon, and you're going to color all of these ones red. Go ahead and push pause so that you can color in all of your shapes nice and neat. Okay, the next one says color these rectangles yellow. Rectangles and circles yellow. So we've got the small yellow rectangle, we've got the big yellow rectangle. We have the small yellow circle, and we have the big yellow circle. See how I'm using 3 words to describe the shapes. In the bottom row, it says color these rectangles and circles blue. We have the small, if you want to push pause to color, that's just fine. Small blue rectangle, the big blue rectangle, the small blue circle, and the big blue circle. Okay. Down here, it tells you, point to the large means big, point to the large blue rectangle. So if you look at it, you know you're gonna point to one of these because it says blue. And it says to point to the large one. So you need to point to the large blue rectangle, okay? So is this the large blue rectangle or is this one? Rectangle has 4 sides, it's this one. Point to the small yellow circle. Doo-doo. Point to the large red circle. Large. Last one, point to the small yellow rectangle. Yellow, small rectangle. Great job. Turn your paper over to the other side. You are going to practice writing the number 3. They're not all filled in, so you have to start forming the 3 on your own, okay? You trace the first couple, then you gotta make it by yourself. Halfway around and around again, halfway around and around again, halfway around and around again to make the number 3. Can you guess how many rectangles I'm gonna tell you to color over here? We're practicing the number 3. It's going to be 3 rectangles. You don't have to pick the same as me. You just need to color 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 rectangles. That's all for today. Nice work. Good following along.